I do not know.
Hi all, hope you all doing good. I am also doing good. Welcome back to my channel. I am Usha. It's been a long, like 1 month. It's been I've not uploaded any videos. My channel was hacked, and my subscribers was come down. Still, that's okay. I am back with again the same positive energy with lot of interesting content. Let's enjoy together. Let's start this journey once again. Many of them, thanks for supporting me in that hard situation. Thanks a lot. I'm back with all again with the same positive energy. Bandri shuru ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈ ಜರ್ನಿನ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಮ್. ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ DJ floor come cab. So this is the travels that we have booked. This is all arranged by Achut, my colleague. So we all going, we are excited, we have got into the cab. So let's start our journey. So we started, ನಮ್ಮ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ನೋನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಲೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವೇಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಂಬ್ರಾಣಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Then I realized we already reached the Chikmagaluru. See the roads. It is so breezy and that foggy kind of weather. It was very pleased and nice. Thankfully there was no rain the days that we stayed there. It was just a light drizzling kind of, but ಮಳೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗು ಸ್ಲೈಡರು ಅದೇನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ನಾನು ಈ ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮಾಲ್ಸು, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನೋ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಹೇರ್, ಟಾಲ್ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರೋ ಟ್ರೀಸು, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಛೋಟಾ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಥರ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ನಾವು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೊಂದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಕಪಲ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರೆಶನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ನಾವು ಇಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಯಾರೋ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ರೀ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗೀಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆನವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿತ್ ಫುಡ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಟಿ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಊಟ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಟಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೊರಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಐ ಶೇರ್ ಯು ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಕಾಫಿ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ವಿತ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ದು ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ. ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾಫಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ವರಿಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಇನ್ a different world. It feels that nice, like complete your stress, anxiety will come down. That's nice, right? You and your nature, that's it. No, nothing is there apart from that feeling I had it. You will also will experience, because you feel that you are in the middle of the forest. You can listen the humming of the birds. You also can, if you are lucky, you will be able to watch the peacocks coming and visiting you. Those coffee beans, I really love them. And those tall silver trees have been used for furniture. So every time you're buying furniture, think that you're cutting down so many trees. So this is a coffee bean I was speaking about. These are the VIPs. It is feeding a lot of families in Karnataka and worldwide. Coffee, who does not want it? So everybody likes it. That's the tonic for everyone to wake up in the morning. So for me especially, I love them. There are a lot of cafes in Bangalore, but what you get there, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಫಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಫಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ನನಗೆ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೀಟಲ್ ಲೀಫ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ, ಹೀರೋ ಇಸ್ he'll go back. He'll go back now. He'll go back.
Our hero entry, we were all hungry. We just attacked and we had food quickly, faster, and we got in the cab and we started our journey. So we are going to the homestay which we have booked. I will definitely show in detail that homestay as well. So after having this food, that one more thing what I've noticed is in Chikmagaluru, every corner, every road, every piece of the land looks like one beautiful view. So here what I've, and we continued our journey, got into the cab. We are about to reach the homestay. Stay tuned. So we have reached to the homestay, that is Brown and Brune homestay. This homestay is middle of the coffee estate, very placed, very nice surroundings. You would definitely going to love this. Complete details I've given in the description box. You can go and check out. I cannot give you the landmark because everywhere I can just give you a landmark opposite to coffee estate. Each and every lane for me was looking similar, so we can't give you the landmarks, but I've given you Google map which will help you, and details of this homestay owner details, so you can contact them and book for you one. It comes with a package, like with food and without food. You can speak to them and arrange your one. So just explore the complete homestay. This is a complete view of the homestay. We have nice space as well. If you're doing any if you're going as a team, office or personal, you can arrange a place where you can play over them. This is our room which has 2 double cot. We have taken big room, 2 double cot and 1 single cot. We were staying somewhere like 6-7 of them we were staying. It comes with a gas geyser, home comfort. Food is so yummy. Once you get out of the room, this is the place you have it. There is a person who stays here and cook for you the food hot it will be served. And this is a backyard, completely nature, greenery. It is a blessed feeling to stay here. I am cinematic way I am taking the video, because once I went there I was lost. ಕಳ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ರೀ ಹಾಸರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾರ್ಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಏನು ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸುತ್ತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದೇ ಫೀಲ್ಡು ಆ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗ್ರೀನರಿಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮದರ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ
So coffee ತಗೊಂಡು we all went and got fresh up. So once fresh up, it is like relaxing thing. The journey stress ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯಿತು. So we had our lunch and we played for some more time. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದೇ ಸನ್ ಯಾಕೋ ನಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಆದೊಂದು ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. That's okay. We enjoyed the whole viewpoint. Okay, you can see the lunch. We have nice ghee rice, kurma with rice rasam and curd rice. It was yummy food. ನೀವು ಮನೇನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಊಟ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಗೋ ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ, nature, and the same time the food and the comfort of your home.
After one round of nice batting, vegetarians batted veg and non-veg both were nice. So after one, India is famous for cricket. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ? ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಾಡಾಗಲಿ, ಕಾಡಾಗಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಆಲ್ಸೋ. We will not forget to play. On state, people who are trying to divide the Kaveri water, we are fighting to divide the teams. That's the funniest part. But somehow we managed to divide the teams.
Finally, we solved this problem of dividing the team and we hit few balls out of the boundary and coffee plant scolded us, please get out from here. So after getting the scoldings, we all started moving towards the viewpoint. It was evening 4 o'clock. Can you see? So you can see the girl who is wearing chappal and carrying shoes. This is what happens when it's keep raining. You don't know what to wear. See myself, I've covered myself robot because the weather is so cold. So you carry warmer clothes based on the season, plan and carry the necessary medicines like Dolo, Crocin, because the weather, some people will be able to take it, some people will fall sick. So carry all those things. Salt and turmeric, please keep it in your kit. So then after giving some information about the trip packaging, we are got into the cab. I'm trying to picturize cinematic way. Yeah, trying once. I'll definitely achieve it. So this is, we are having fun in the cab. That is the magic when you travel with the people who are really, you can connect with them.
This movie is directed by Lakshmi. Just kidding. Yes, this clip was taken by my colleague Lakshmi, my friend. Beautifully picturized, right? I never thought it's going to be so nice. Nice, so beautiful view. Actually, this view will be very interesting when you come in, when you have a sun, like it's sunset point it is called. The view details is given on the screen, so you can have the details over there. We were enjoying this view, but TT was planning something. It was trying to suicide itself. How dare you? How can we return back to Bangalore? How can you do this? Huh. But yeah, we didn't leave him. So we tried our best to push the TT to up from the slope where it slipped. We were struggling like a Bahubali. Nobody was there, so other people who were watching us had come and helped us. All this Bahubalis pulled our TT to the right place, saved the TT's life. Just see how beautiful this scene, the whole view is. We did had lot of mastis here. Yeah, we all together like 5-6 years together. This is our 5th or 6th trip together, so we had really fun and enjoyed.
We came back to homestay. There are so many other view points and places that you can go and visit when you are staying in this homestay. That way you can plan, stay in the homestay and you can cover the surrounding places.
Night view. There is no street light, only the moonlight. This whole environment, it's just beautiful. It looks like a dream come true because I wanted to stay in a forest, middle of the forest, but that could not be possible. Yeah, this is somehow similar feeling that I had it. I just loved the moment. I enjoyed it. So what we did, dinner was already ready. So we had our dinner. We got some of the games like Housey Housey, Ludo, and we did DJ dance, and we enjoyed till 2 o'clock chit chatting, and we had nice fun all together. Yeah, you can also plan. If it is raining, you will not have fire camp. If not, they would arrange that for. Food was too yummy. Veg and both non-veg was very nice. You can expect chapati and rice items, but if you have a special requirement, you can give it to them. Hi guys.
It was a day to Sunday on I am on holiday in my favorite place. What else I need? It is a blessed feeling. I was enjoying thoroughly, and I've also examined the plants surrounding. So how they've adapted to this particular environment. Will this plants, if I take them, they will survive? All these things I was checking. This is a problem with the gardener. So if wherever they go, they'll try to steal the plants. So, but I didn't do it. Keeping my friends are there with me. So next time ನೋಡೋಣ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಾಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ outfit that I was wearing, comfortable and nice warm one. And then we went to the breakfast. By the time I reached, dosa was over, but thankfully my friends, they have kept for me. I love them. So once after eating yummy breakfast, this is what I said, no, you will never miss your home. So nice breakfast I had. After eating that, we started our journey. So if you guys can plan, there are so many places that you can visit when you are staying in homestay. But if it is raining and all, you should be careful. There is landsliding and all, so we didn't wanted to take a chance. For us, spending time each other and this, the environment was enough, so we are okay with this. But if you are someone who wants to do adventures and all, you can take a suggestion from the homestay owner. They would give some list of places where you can visit and enjoy. Box, do not ask me any landmark, because here every road looks similar. I could not differentiate between two. It's all same, but the complete details I've given in the below. So is one last bye to the homestay. It was very difficult. We had good time. I'm carrying all lot of memories. See, my cutie pie is saying bye to you all. Bye everyone. And you would see the person who arranged this trip. Arranging a trip is very difficult. So with again lot of fun, we are returning back to Bangalore. While returning on the way, we visited one of the amazing restaurant, that is Siri. This is a beautiful restaurant. Again, it's completely greenery. I love the way it is decor, using all green plants, and especially the lady Siri. She is so beautiful. The way the dress, costume, everything was designed using the plants. You will definitely love it, and amazing taste. In turn, interiors and the seating area is like this. Again, that is again a greenery one. I just loved it. If you get a chance, please go and visit this place. That's it for this video. Hope you liked the journey of Chikmagaluru with us. If you like, please like, share and subscribe, and leave us a comment. What did you like it? Then I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.